Welcome back, Starseekers. Tonight, we're diving into one of the most iconic constellations in the night sky, Gemini, the twins. Get ready to explore the legends, stars, and celestial wonders that make Gemini truly special. Gemini is a prominent constellation located along the ecliptic, the path that the sun takes through the sky. It's easily recognizable by its two brightest stars, Castor and Pollux, which mark the heads of the mythical twins from whom the constellation gets its name. In mythology, Castor and Pollux were the sons of Leda and Zeus. Known as the Dioscuri, they were revered as protectors of sailors and symbols of brotherly love and loyalty. Their story is one of adventure and bravery, and their legacy lives on in the stars. Gemini is visible in the night sky from late fall to early spring, making it a popular constellation for stargazers during those seasons. It lies between the constellations Taurus and Cancer, and is easy to spot thanks to the bright stars Castor and Pollux. Besides its iconic stars, Gemini is home to several interesting deep sky objects. One notable example is the open cluster M35, a group of young stars located near the foot of the constellation. This cluster is a beautiful sight through a telescope or binoculars. The constellation also hosts several interesting nebulae and star clusters, offering plenty of opportunities for amateur astronomers to explore. Its location along the ecliptic means that it's often visited by planets, making it a dynamic part of the sky. Gemini is also part of the zodiac, the band of constellations through which the sun, moon, and planets move. Its position in the zodiac links it to various astrological traits, including adaptability and curiosity, which are said to be characteristic of those born under its sign. So next time you look up at the night sky, keep an eye out for Gemini and its stellar twins, Castor and Pollux. They're a shining reminder of the rich tapestry of myths and wonders that our universe holds. Thank you for joining us on this celestial journey through Gemini. If you enjoyed exploring this constellation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more stargazing adventures. Until next time, keep looking up and exploring the cosmos. See you in the next video.